Cartridge or converter? Let's learn how to choose the best ink option for your fountain pen. Cartridges are the most familiar option. These sealed ink capsules are convenient and easy. Just disassemble the barrel and press the correct end of the cartridge against the piercing spike. It clicks right in place. Each pen brand has its own cartridge specs. Some, like Pilot, Sailor, and Lamy, use a proprietary style made to fit only their pens. Other brands, like Monteverde, Tom Studio, Kaweco, and more, use standard international, or SI cartridges. These cartridges expand ink choices, but color selection is still somewhat limited. That's where converters shine. These refillable reservoirs draw ink from an inkwell and insert into the piercing spike just like a cartridge. And also like cartridges, if your pen allows for the option to use a converter, it will either be proprietary or standard. Converters come with different types of suction mechanisms: piston, plunger, push button, and squeeze. But they all do the same thing. They let you use the ink of your choice. Any fountain pen safe ink works, even your own custom mixtures. A converter also flushes the pen with water, useful for rinsing between colors. The drawback? They're less convenient for travel. So, if you take your pen on the go, cartridges keep things simple, but a converter helps keep your pen clean and your ink options open.